In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a rotating text animation in Canva. This is a fun and creative way to make your text stand out and add a dynamic element to your design. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to impress your audience with captivating animations that are both eye-catching and engaging. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open Canva in your web browser. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up for a free one. Canva offers a range of tools and features that make graphic design accessible to everyone, so it's definitely worth having on hand. Once you're logged in, head to the home page. Next, we're going to create a new design. For this project, choose the video option. This is important because video files are the best format for animations due to their smooth playback abilities. Selecting video sets up a canvas specifically suited for animation work, giving you the right space and tools to bring your text to life. Now head over to the toolbar on the left side of your screen and click on Text. Here, you can enter the phrase or title you want to animate. Once you've typed in your text, take a moment to think about the font and color. Both can significantly impact the overall feel of the animation. Canva provides a wide array of customization options, so feel free to experiment until you find a style that matches your vision. After you've got your text looking just right, it's time to center it on the canvas. Ensuring your text is positioned correctly will help maintain balance and focus as it rotates. Simply drag your text box to the center of the canvas, and Canva's intuitive guides will help you align it perfectly. With your text centered, go ahead and select it. This selection is necessary for applying animations and other effects. Once selected, look for the Animate button on the toolbar above. Click on it, and you'll see an option labeled Create an Animation. This feature allows you to define the motion path your text will follow. Here's where the magic happens. Make circular movements for the text to follow by clicking and dragging your mouse around. This will map out the path of rotation, and you'll start to see your text coming to life with fluid motion. After setting the movement, adjust its speed to suit your preference. Fast rotations can add excitement and energy, while slower speeds might create a more dramatic and elegant effect. Tweak the speed until it looks just right to you, and then click Done to confirm your settings. Now that your animation is complete and you're happy with how it looks, it's time to share it. Click the Share button located at the top right corner and download your animation as an MP4 file. This format is widely compatible, ensuring you can easily share your creation across various platforms. And there you have it. You've successfully created a rotating text animation in Canva. Enjoy experimenting with different texts and animations, and don't forget to have fun while creating. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.